Good day. Today, we're going to have an interview with Miss Katrina Abiling, a dancer from Lagaya, Cubao, who is a student of SMU. Good morning, ma'am. When did you start dancing the Pinoy dance?
I started dancing when I was in kindergarten. I joined the choreographic ensemble when I was in grade 3, and we performed in different places like Luwag, Kalinga, Banawe, Paso, Manila, I think. Mrs. Nadia Hamdaan and Nicole Hart taught me how to dance for a concert.
What is the significant circumstances or events before performing the dance?
What I know of Binuya is that it is a waving dance. It is performed, of course, in weddings. During harvest season, wherein people will celebrate as the Thanksgiving for the bountiful harvest. And it is also performed during Kadabi, wherein gums are beaten for 10 days or 10 nights at least, and wine is being served for people to celebrate and dance.
Do you agree or disagree with the changes or the alteration of the steps or modernization to pop culture?
I absolutely disagree, for I believe that changing the steps will jeopardize its essence. The original step is what makes the dance unique and distinct from other native dances, and it builds identity to the dance itself.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Oh.
That was all. Thank you.